As men reach their 40s and beyond, especially those who have experienced prostate issues or weakening of the pelvic floor muscles, it becomes more common to notice small bladder leaks during coughing, laughing, or even simple movements. Many assume this is just a normal part of aging and choose to live with it. But the truth is, this condition, known as urinary incontinence, is very common, and more importantly, it can be managed. As a doctor with over 12 years of experience, I've seen how this issue can affect a man's confidence and daily comfort. The good news is, there are now simple, practical solutions available. One option I often recommend is switching to leak-proof underwear. Briefs are specifically designed with advanced multi-layer absorbent technology that helps capture and lock in moisture, keeping you dry and comfortable throughout the day. The inner fabric is soft, breathable, and gentle on the skin, so it feels just like regular underwear. The design is also thin and discreet, meaning it won't show under your clothes or feel bulky. And because they're reusable and machine washable, they're also a cost-effective long-term solution. Today, more and more men are choosing this simple change to regain their confidence and comfort. You don't have to live with the discomfort or constant worry. There is a better way. Click the link below to learn more about Wenco Boxer Briefs and find the right solution for you.